Saturday morning, happy Saturday, chicken stock, ayan. Gagawa ko ng egg drop soup. Nilagyan ko ng konting turmeric, pampakulay, and then salt, and pepper, and then ito may corn starch and water, mamaya pampalapot. Lalagyan ko rin ng whole kernel corn, green onions, ito yung egg, and then sesame oil, egg drop soup. At ito yung barbecue kahapon, Friday barbecue. Ito iniinit ko mga 30 more seconds. Gumagawa si Mami ng egg drop soup, egg, green onions, ito yung cornstarch water. Ginamit ko lang yung chicken stock. Nilagyan ko ng salt, pepper, at saka turmeric. Mamaya lalagyan ng sesame oil. Tapos, I add this whole kernel corn mamaya when it's boiling. Ito yung pagkain na pinainit ko for my boy. Tim, here! Tim! Okay, one more minute. One more minute, wait. It's not hot yet. It's not hot enough. Kapag inilalagay daw yung egg, ito 4 beaten eggs, slowly ang apoy. I mean low heat. Very low heat. Lalagay ko na yung 4 beaten eggs. Happy Saturday! Today is Saturday. Low heat lang yan. Low heat. And then I add the green onions. Corn pala muna. Corn. Kailangan maluto ang corn. Luto na pala itong corn. Luto na pala itong corn. Kain tayo guys. Barbecue yesterday, potato salad yesterday, and egg drop soup today. Hi Tim, say hi. How do you like? The soup.
It's masarap talaga. Thanks, babe.
Yay! Let's eat! Kain tayo, guys! Done Zumba class. Saturday Zumba class done. Yay! I got sweat done. I got some exercise. Going home now. Yan ang aking kalamansi. Ang dami ng bulaklak. Super daming bulaklak. Oh. Halos lahat ay may bulaklak. Halos lahat ng dahon ay mga bulaklak.